Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download XPortal application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. The first thing you'll need to do is to ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once it is, open your App Store. Go to the search box and type in XPortal and search. Once you come across the search results, go ahead and tap on the Get button right next to the XPortal digital wallet and payment app at the very top, and then you will be able to start downloading the application. XPortal is a mobile application that focuses on cryptocurrency and Web3 functionality. It allows its users to buy, sell, stake, and swap cryptocurrencies across different blockchains. They can also spend crypto with debit cards, explore decentralized applications, and even participate in interactive quests and AR experiences. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iOS device, and tap on the open button once the download is completed. And there you have successfully downloaded XPortal application on your iOS device. You can now go ahead and create a new wallet or import an existing wallet to get started. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.